Do you want to know how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. Okay. So if you don't see this kind of icon here, okay, then you then there are like a couple of fixes that you can actually do. Okay, so the first fix is actually update your Instagram app. So you will actually go into the Play Store if you are on Android phone, and if you are on iPhone you will have to open up your App Store. Okay, so this tutorial is both for Android and iOS. So you will open up your Play Store or App Store and you will type for Instagram, and then you have to check that whether is there any update for your application. So as you can see that I don't see any update option here, which means that my application is up to date. And the second thing you can do, you have to install the messenger here. Okay, the Facebook messenger here, make sure that the Facebook messenger is also installed in your phone here, and then make sure that Facebook is also installed. Okay, and all of these applications should be up to date. So make sure that Instagram, Facebook and Facebook Messenger is already installed in your phone. And if this still not help, then you will open up your Instagram here, go into the profile and then tap on the three lines onto the top right and click on settings here, and you should see here on the top an option which showing that update messaging. Okay, you should see here update messaging option, and when you click on this your messages will automatically get updated, and then you will be able to connect with your Facebook Messenger here. And if this still doesn't help, okay, after updating all the applications you won't be able to see the update messaging option here, you will just tap on help here and then report a problem here, and report problem without shaking, and then don't include, and then you can actually like report this problem to Instagram, and they will actually get back to you after like 1 to 3 days. Okay, and they will actually fix this problem for you. So that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed this video. You can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video here, you can ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.